The job description of a sales development representative, SDR, centers on identifying and qualifying potential leads for a company's sales pipeline. SDRs are often the first human interaction a potential customer has with a business, making them critical players in the overall sales strategy. Their work is foundational to the sales team's success, helping to create meaningful conversations, schedule product demos, and convert prospects into customers. While SDRs typically don't close deals themselves, they are responsible for initiating the sales cycle and ensuring that only high-quality leads reach the account executives or senior sales professionals. Sales development representatives are employed across various industries, including software as a service, SaaS, finance, marketing, healthcare, and manufacturing. Any organization that sells a product or service to other businesses, B2B, or even consumers, B2C, often needs SDRs to warm up leads before passing them on. They use a combination of outbound and inbound strategies, cold calls, emails, social media outreach, and follow-ups, to engage with prospects and understand their level of interest and fit. The position demands high energy, resilience, effective communication, and an analytical mindset. SDRs must learn about their company's offerings inside and out, be able to listen carefully to prospects' needs, and convey value in a succinct, persuasive manner. They also need to be disciplined with time and pipeline management while consistently meeting quotas and performance metrics. Core responsibilities of a sales development representative. SDRs are tasked with lead generation, which begins by researching and identifying ideal customer profiles, ICPs, within a target market. This research phase may include analyzing job titles, company size, industry, pain points, and budget alignment. SDRs use tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Customer Relationship Management, CRM software, and marketing automation platforms to compile lists of prospects worth pursuing. Once leads are identified, SDRs engage in outbound prospecting. This includes cold calling, an essential activity in the SDR toolkit, where representatives reach out to individuals who may have no prior interaction with the company. Cold emails and direct messaging via platforms like LinkedIn also form a large part of this strategy. The aim is to initiate conversations, build rapport, and spark interest. In addition to outbound efforts, SDRs also respond to inbound leads, those generated through content marketing, website forms, webinars, or advertising. While these leads have shown some level of interest, it's the SDR's job to qualify them further, assessing their needs, timing, and budget, and determining whether they should proceed further in the sales funnel. Qualification is a critical part of an SDR's responsibilities. Using frameworks like BANT, budget, authority, need, timing, or CHAMP, challenges, authority, money, prioritization, SDRs evaluate whether a lead is worth passing to a sales executive. This involves asking the right questions, identifying decision makers, and listening for buying signals. One of the most important deliverables for an SDR is setting up meetings or product demonstrations between qualified prospects and senior salespeople. This handoff must be seamless and well documented, including notes about the customer's needs, objections, and previous interactions. SDRs are often judged by how many meetings they book and how many of those meetings lead to successful conversions. Midway through examining their duties and workflow, it becomes evident that the job description of a sales development representative extends far beyond just calling names on a list. It involves methodical planning, active listening, and the ability to spark meaningful business conversations that lead to revenue. Essential skills and traits for success. Communication is the most vital skill for any SDR. They must be able to speak confidently on the phone, write clear and persuasive emails, and engage with professionalism on digital platforms. The ability to listen and respond thoughtfully is equally important, especially when handling objections or clarifying customer pain points. Persistence and resilience are non-negotiable traits in this role. SDRs face frequent rejection, sometimes dozens of times a day, and must bounce back quickly to continue their outreach. Maintaining a positive attitude despite setbacks is crucial to long-term performance. Time management and organization are also essential. SDRs often juggle multiple tasks: prospecting, calling, emailing, logging interactions, and setting appointments. all while trying to meet daily or weekly goals. Using CRM tools effectively, such as Salesforce or HubSpot, helps SDRs stay on top of their pipeline and follow up schedules. Product knowledge is necessary, even if SDRs don't handle closing. They need to understand their company's solutions well enough to explain benefits, answer basic technical questions, and guide the conversation toward a discovery meeting. Curiosity and a growth mindset set top-performing SDRs apart. The best reps seek to understand not just their product, but also the industry landscape, customer challenges, and new outreach techniques. They embrace feedback, engage in role plays, and adapt based on data-driven insights. Technological fluency is increasingly important. SDRs often use sales engagement platforms like Outreach, SalesLog, or Apollo, which automate workflows and track engagement. Being able to use these tools effectively boosts productivity and targeting accuracy. Work environment and typical challenges. Most SDRs work in fast-paced, target-driven environments, often within sales pods or as part of a broader business development team. While some work remotely, others operate in open office sales floors, where collaboration, real-time coaching, and healthy competition are part of the culture. The role can be mentally and emotionally demanding. The repetitive nature of cold outreach, the need to hit quotas, and the reality of frequent rejection can lead to burnout if not managed well. However, many organizations support their SDRs with performance coaching, incentives, team-building activities, and structured career progression. Another challenge is staying relevant and personalized while using automation. While tools can streamline outreach, prospects can often sense when a message is generic. The ability to personalize at scale, crafting messages that speak directly to a prospect's role or company, is a major differentiator. Maintaining alignment with the marketing and sales teams is also important. SDRs provide valuable feedback about lead quality and market trends, helping refine targeting strategies and messaging. Cross-functional collaboration ensures that SDRs don't just meet short-term goals but contribute to long-term sales success. Education and career path. Most sales development representative roles require at least a bachelor's degree, often in business, marketing, communications, or a related field. However, many companies are increasingly open to candidates without formal degrees if they demonstrate strong communication skills and a proactive attitude. Training is typically provided during onboarding and may include sales methodologies, objection handling, product demos, and CRM usage. Some organizations offer sales certifications or support enrollment in external programs like HubSpot Academy, Sandler Sales Training, or SaaS-specific bootcamps. The SDR role is considered an entry point into professional sales. After gaining experience and consistently hitting targets, SDRs often move into roles such as account executive, business development manager, BDM, or sales operations specialist. Some also transition into marketing or customer success roles, depending on their interests and skills. Conclusion. The job description of a sales development representative reveals a dynamic and essential role within the sales ecosystem. These professionals are often the first point of contact between a company and its potential customers, laying the groundwork for successful deals by sparking interest, building trust, and qualifying opportunities. For those who thrive in high-energy environments, enjoy building relationships, and are motivated by measurable success, the SDR role offers a fast-paced and rewarding career path. With the right mindset, continuous learning, and a strong support system, sales development representatives play a powerful role in fueling a company's growth and expanding its customer base.